Hey, can you guess how many numbers can divide 84 perfectly without leaving a remainder? So let's find out if 84 is just another number or something special. So what are the factors first? So factors are numbers that divide another number exactly without leaving remainder. Or we are looking for all numbers that divide 84 completely. So let's start with 1. So 84 divided by 1 is 84. Now 84 is an even number, divided by 2 gives 42. Now sum of 8 plus 4 is 12, so it can be divisible by 3 as well, 28. 84 divided by 4 gives 21. 84 cannot be divisible by 5 because it does not end with 0 and 5. So 84 divided by 6 gives 14. 84 divided by 7 gives 12. 84 divided by 12. Now we reverse. 84 divided by 12 gives 7. 84 divided by 14 gives 6. 84 divided by 21 gives 4. 84 divided by 28 gives 3. 84 divided by 42 gives 2. 84 divided by 84 gives 1. So the complete list of factors of 84 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42, 84. So please subscribe to my channel for more math related questions and comment down below if you have any doubt related to any math question. Thank you so much for watching this video.